Okay, so today we're looking at this Apexel zoom macro lens. This was sent to me by the company so that I could do this review. Now you see, this is a nice lens. It is solid metal. So we're gonna have to put it together, put it on our phone. Let's do that, and I'll be right back with you. All right, so the way you set up your Apexel lens is you take the little cover off the back, and then you just screw it right on in to the frame. Then you stretch it over the back of your phone, and you need to know which one is your rear facing camera. For me, it's the middle one. So once you get it kind of lined up where you want it, you find where it goes up and down like that, and then you just tighten it with this thing at the top. So you can move back and, you know, because some phones have the camera in the center, some have them over there. So now I can show you, I'm in video mode here, and we can adjust the zoom with this little knob on the top. So that's gonna adjust your zoom in and out. If I wanna take some still photography here of like these oranges, I'm just going to do my focus, and then I can do it, I'm on video mode right now. And so I can just get that focus in and then show the different angles there on the food. Or if I wanted to switch over to photo mode, now I have a few different things that I wanted to take pictures of here. So again, I'm gonna just autofocus, get it the distance I want, and then take that picture. And there's also a bevel on the inside, so if you have your own filter, you can attach it to that. You also have this eyepiece. This is kind of a cool thing. So if we screw this off and we just want to zoom in a little bit, you can actually plop this on the back. And now this becomes an eyepiece where I can focus it. So if I'm just studying my coin collection, or I have other collectibles that I go in, you can just adjust this and do your zoom right through here and see the little details on your own, which is super, super cool. It also comes with a carrying case, a cleaning rag, all the things you need. Of course, this goes on the back when we don't have this on, just to store it. And that is your Apexel macro zoom lens. It's pretty cool.